The people you're already compatible with at the deepest level. Then really get to know all your matches using our guided communication and see who's truly right for you. Free through February. Start communicating, start connecting. Free now through February at eharmony.com.
The best serve your customers you have to know. First, only a local agent.
What the shit?
What is that? Who can we call to figure it out what it is? It was brighter. It was red. No, it was white, but it was red. Did you see how red it was?
No, this is Blizzard. Tooth, holy cow, what the hell? It's the end of the world.
Did you hear that?
I don't know what that was.
All new tonight at 11, only on TBS. Very funny.
You think the voice is safe?
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Throughout Illinois, we're changing lives for the better. Connecting you to the largest network of the sharpest minds and the warmest.
Holy cow, what is that?
I really don't know, but I'm scared. No, I'm not going to be able to sleep all night. I don't even want to sleep.
It's lightning.
Do you think it's the lightning
It's
from
lightning.
Chicago?
It's lightning in Chicago. This is Plainfield. Hi, Mom and Dad.
Oh my gosh, called your mom and dad. Maybe are they seeing the same thing as we're seeing? Can they see it?
I don't know, but look at the wind. It's getting windier.
It looks like it's like a
I think it's a tornado.
A tornado. Like, yeah. Should I put the news on? I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Amazing. One of the great parts of having a show is when I see a video of that.
I think hail's coming.
Give me that.
It's a tornado.
It looks like a tornado.
Oh my gosh. What are we going to do? Should we get the boys?